Oh,
Enjoy your.
I wonder what soup this guy enjoys.
Alphabet.
They're like long time no see what that's the point. In this atmosphere you need big bills and your mouthpiece on point. And your mama said don't point, give this Portuguese some points. I just kinda lay my point and let my shaka hang with poise. I woke up feeling like I woke up feeling like yes. Ain't no bad talk but I talk back of my mama carrying stress. Talking suicide in my way. What more can I say? I'm it. What's more better than this life? Still congratulations.
68.
Oh.
I can flash over the wall.
Oh my
Nice.
god.
Oh my god.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah, go Hunter. Go.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh
Yeah.
no. Hi. Oh. Oh. No kill with the new gun.
This gun's fucking broken. This gun's actually
Spike
broken.
planted.
Oh.
Smoke's down.
Viper's in 38.
One enemy remaining.
Yo, where's my fucking ace? Where are
He's
you?
main. He's main.
Where are you?
Oh, sure that wasn't art.
Oh no.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god,
god.
this gun's fucking broken.
Yeah, take it,
Wait,
take it.
Dude,
Oh.
This gun's
Benson,
actually
turn around.
broken as
Turn
fuck.
around. Open your mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, get over here. Why are you
Yeah,
running?
no.
Why are you running? What the fuck? Yeah, they're coming from our end.
I'm coming, Travis.
Oh!
You know what? Forget it.
Bro, they always get me when I'm trying to kiss the homies, bro.
This dude's coming up to me making kissing noise, and I see a guy gun through the back. I'm like, oh.
Right here.
Down, mid.
Right here.
Yeah, I gotta be.
Bop, 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 bop. Try to fuck him up. Bop, bop.
I'm coming.
Fuck this speakers up.
I'm going towards her.
Oh, I'm hacking right now. Ooh.
She's still
30
mid.
seconds left.
Oh yeah, she's going now. I'm slowly making my way.
He's got the slow flank.
Don't worry.
I should fucking see it. Pokemon Snap.
Oh, Wale.
Wale? Yeah, that's a good rapper.
Stim beacon down.
Dude, Wally, that's a good move, though. Hit that right.
I'll rotate.
Some mid.
Oh,
Oh, he shot the right one.
Oh, no, I shot both.
I killed someone on B.
38 on stage.
I got you, Travis. I got you, man.
Fire. Oh!
I know exactly where.
The others, I don't know. And D. Oh, they think they're hot shit now.
Yeah.
Oh, their body shoot.
They're
Yo,
body
shots?
shooting? Oh, nah, I'm playing a shotgun now.
Alright, let's all try nice body shots.
You ready for some back shots?
Oh, he's too. Oh no.
Hey, talk to him. What the fuck does that even mean?
Yeah, I'm giving him side shots with spooning.
Oh,
Oh, by main.
I'm gonna throw up.
Seconds left.
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna throw up.
Two.
I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. Oh,
Last
Oh,
player
she's on
oh
site
shit.
already.
I'm running.
I'll plan it for you.
No.
Just run out and scare her. Oh shit.
Bro.
Bro, stop lagging.
I'm coming. He's healing. He's giving me full health.
Nigga wanna see me.
Oh! That was close.
Oh, is the code not lagging anymore? Oh, we need to get a lot more.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
If anybody watched my POV.
I did not.
Oh, she's coming.
One enemy remaining.
Fucking KJ, bro.
49.
Phoenix is 1 HP.
Gotcha. I'm gonna kiss him. Yeah, they're gonna ramp. Play
There's two. Sky and Phoenix are both there.
Rojo. Yeah!
One enemy
Oh
remaining.
fuck. Last one is the garage.
119 and 59 at the. Oh, she's right on my body. She's right on my body.
One enemy remaining.
I got you, bro.
Flying around.
Oh, the expert bait or what? You like that?
That was awesome. I was like a
Can't buy, I
ward.
can buy.
I was literally a fucking ward, bro. I could see you in the fog of war.
We're gonna heal.
Yeah. Viper wall here.
Last two mid. Last two mid.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah, fucking get him! Get him!
Oh no, he's not in
He
the cup.
backed up. He backed up. He backed up.
You know what's the equivalent to Disney? Guys,
What?
guys ever watch Shen Yun?
Yeah.
God damn. God damn.
These my favorite number.
I demand what I'm owed.
My favorite color is spring.
My favorite film is Shen Yun.
I've never seen Shen Yun, but I hear about it every year, bro.
Is it-
Bro,
it's
that
supposed
shit
to be
is a
China.
cult,
It's
bro.
supposed to be-
That shit is a cult.
20
Player standing.
seconds.
Oh, behind your wall. Behind your wall.
I hate this game. I'm back. What the fuck was that?
Dude, that was just like in Shen Yun.
It
Oh,
might be.
real.
It might be just like Shen Yun.
Oh, she's out. He's out.
One enemy remaining.
Oh!
Oh,
Nice.
you're so good.
Man, I'm so happy to be in your backpack, man. You know that you have a fucking Snickers
same.
bar melted down here?
Shit, my bad.
I like that Ren bought me that round. I did absolutely nothing with my ulti and still clutched it up for me.
Yeah, I like that in Ren's backpack, right next to the Snickers bar, there's a crumpled up paper that says Shen Yun on it. Did you see Shen Yun?
Fucking crap.
Shit,
Yeah.
bro. She has a gauntlets, bro.
One enemy remaining.
KJ scary.
Well, Ren, I bet your dick ain't big, but you give good dick though, right?
Yeah,
Damn, that's messed up, bro.
Right. I bet
Your
your dick ain't
dick.
big, but the cheese long.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah. Yeah.
And me and
Your
you,
mouth.
Matt, when I go back home, man, we gotta watch Shen Yun, bro.
I might have to. What it sound like?
You gotta join
Some
that cult, bro.
Chinese propaganda. I like that.
Now we win.
Oh my god.
Hey, Ren's fucking in,
Yoru is
bro.
a-
He needs a heal. He needs a heal. He needs a heal.
What?
Yoru's backside.
Hey, you
What? Why'd
you
you
stop
there,
talking
bro?
to him, man. That's scary.
He was back.
What the
Yeah, eat
fuck?
my ass, dog. Come see, come see, come see, come see, come see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They're coming in, they're coming in, they're coming in. Yeah.
Papa needs help.
Two above.
No one main.
Message sent. One enemy remaining.
No way.
Oh,
Player standing.
fucking.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yup.
Oh my goodness, you're so good.
See this?
You're so good.
We need you.
We couldn't have done that without you, actually. Yeah.
He's the only one who could have done it.
Only you could hit the shorty shots like that, bro. I wouldn't do that.
Bro.
Beautiful.
I hit her one time in the head, 8 times in the legs, and 8 times in the torso.
Oh my god,
Spike down mid. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Get him, Hunter. Get him.
He dismissed.
Reloading.
Launching smoke.
You got it, bro.
Stubborn to die.
I don't know how I survived that.
That's so crazy. Bro, Hunter's actually built different, bro.
Yeah, there's a free phantom on the ground if anybody wants that.
Imagine a world where I give it all up and I rock with the devil instead of my dogs. Both of my parents will never accept to forgive me and more than likely be apart. I went from being nobody to acting like I was somebody that never could fall. The moment the money hit me for the very first time in my life, forgot about God.